Hello, David here, and the project for today is making a receiver wrench. This is a receiver, and I just need to clamp the receiver to hold it so I could turn off this stub. So I have a piece of butcher block made out of maple. It is 1.5 inches thick. Got it's about 4 inches wide. I traced off the shape of the receiver. First I drilled a hole. Now I have my jigsaw clamped in my portable vise, and that's the shape I got to cut it out to. So I'm just holding the piece down and just cutting lines. I can't cut up to the line because there's a little bit of distance between where I trace the receiver and where the line is. So I want to make sure it's perfectly tight so it holds the receiver down. And the important thing is to have the jig saw straight in the vise. So my first cut was along this edge, and I got my square lined up here, and you want to look at the back side to make sure that this end of the ruler is touching the cut edge, and it is. So I know I'm at a 90-degree angle. Okay, here's where I'm at. Doesn't fit yet, just need to do some fine tuning. I'll do a little bit more with the jigsaw, then I'll do the rest with a hand file. And I purposely cut these ears oversized because I don't want to stress these ears and break it off. I did not need to use a hand file. I was able to take down the dimensions with the jigsaw. And you want it tight, you don't want it loose. It's going to take a mallet to pound it in. It's pretty much how you want it. And I got some relief there for those dog ears. Okay, now I could grab on the flats of the stub. You're probably wondering why I don't chuck this assembly up in my vise, and the problem is my vise is bolted down to a wooden workbench, and I already tried that and my workbench was coming apart. So I think I'm going to put the weight of my car on this assembly and then try to wrench that stub out, because the stub threads are pretty severely rusted into the receiver. So I couldn't use my car because I couldn't get a good angle on handling the wrench. The chassis was in the way, so I set up my shop press on the floor. I don't see any rust on there, but it was sure hard to get off. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.